134 Wisteria Lane in Wisteria subdivision here in Mandeville, complete with oak tree and swing in the front yard. This house, can I just say, ooh la la. We are on Highway 190, minutes to town. If you know where Mandeville City Hall is and Cherry Creek subdivision, we're on that stretch of 190 in town, so it's like the best location. This is a small cul-de-sac neighborhood. Not a lot of homes come up for sale in here, and they tend to move fast. So this home is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, about 2,500 square feet. You got to see the updates on the inside. And just, well, enough said, let's go check it out. So the updates in this house started in 2020 and they've continued. So first you're going to see marble tile here on the floor. These floors, these wood floors are a Brazilian koa. They are hard, they are gorgeous. And you'll notice fresh paint, but also the light fixtures have been updated, and the tones even of the doorknobs are of the what's popular now is kind of like that muted bronze. Really nice stuff. So before I go on, this is a nice size formal dining room. Living room, skylights in the vaulted ceiling, and you're going to see the house was added onto with this sunroom. It has brick pavers. They close it in. It's heated and cooled, and just adds another living space to the whole package. It's pleasant because you have a beautiful backyard, which we'll see. So you have the big formal dining room. Here's a good sized breakfast area. And the updated kitchen. So notice, like, even the little, like, these are quartzite counters. So not granite, not quartz, quartzite. So like, take a lick and keep on ticking, and are gorgeous. The muted bronze, even the hangers there, the door hardware. Undermount sink. And through here you have laundry and pantry. So here's your laundry area with extra cabinets. And then over here is your pantry. Back in the living room, gas fireplace. And you have 3 bedrooms and a bath over here, and on this side is the master suite. So we're going to go this way first and check out the 3 beds and a bath. Notice the high ceilings and the crown molding. And look, y'all, the carpet is in great shape, and it feels really plush on my feet. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. So notice the size of this room. Full-size bed. Oh yeah, and by the way, there's a piano in here and a desk. And you still have plenty of room to walk around. This is a good-sized room. And then the full bath. And this is these countertops are marble here. All updated tub, the tile work. Notice how it goes up to the ceiling. It's really nice. You're gonna like this. And I was talking to you all about door hardware. Here it is. This is what I was referring to. Like, just the muted bronze. It's nice. It's not all the silver that we've been seeing for years and years. Linen closet. And then you can close this area off. These will shut the kids in or whoever else is staying on this side. And you can come out here, loop around to the master suite. Double tray ceiling, recessed lights. Now this right here, this is the door. This goes out to the sunroom. There's another way to get out there too, through the living room, as we saw, but this is an extra entrance. And here's the master bath. So you have dual closets and vanities. A lovely just walk-in shower. Again, all updated. You have a little intricate tile work there. Going up to the ceiling again, another skylight. And potty corner. And by the way, this still in the master suite. This is another linen closet. This one's huge. It's a lot deeper. There's a lot of closet spaces you're going to see. Because obviously every bedroom has a closet. The master has a closet, 2 linen closets. And at the end of the sunroom here is the 3rd bathroom, full bath. And that has a tremendous storage closet as well, besides what you have in the laundry room / pantry. So again, you've got space out here. There's a sofa, plenty of seating areas, and a play area. And here's this other closet I was referring to. Okay, it's just a double bifold door and a full bath. Again, same type of updates, tiled shower, sink. This will go outside. And then this door goes to the garage, and there is another door to the garage between the breakfast and kitchen. Okay, so now we're outside, covered patio. And look, that the covered patio covers and then the concrete extends out. So you have a nice covered area. There is the hot tub. Hot tub can stay, hot tub can go. That's your choice. And then there's a gate. I just want to show this to you real quick. So first, side yard there. There's a gate right there where you can walk through that and walk over. If you're familiar with Mandeville at all, we're within a short walk of Mandeville City Hall. And through that gate, you can walk down the street that's on the other side. This is a cul-de-sac on the other side of the fence here. Walk down the street and you'll wind up at Mandeville City Hall. They have a park. They actually have tennis courts too and a playground. So real nice place just to walk the dogs or bring the kids. Notice this yard here. You may not even want to go to City Hall. Trampoline, and you have this. The oranges are coming in. So you've got orange tree, and there's actually another 2 behind the trampoline there, and there's a fig tree as well. And here's the side yard. So the house is all brick. All right, other nice feature, that does help to some degree with homeowners insurance. As in reduce it, which is what we're all after. So here's the rear of the house. Like, this is a great find in a neighborhood that rarely gets homes for sale. So come check it out. We are happy to show it to you if you don't have an agent. And we'd love for your agent to show you if you do have an agent. So thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye-bye.